If you fail, please never give up because fail means first attempt in learning. When you start to learn spoken English, note it point you must be fail because nobody can learn spoken English without make any mistake, without get fail. When you get fail, that means it is your first try to learn new skills. When you make mistake, learn from your mistake and solve that when you start again. Inshallah, inshallah, you will able to become a fluent English speaker when you get fail and you learn from your previous mistake and you attempt to solve the fault. Mercy.